If you're interested in investing to crypto and you've been researching for a while, then this video is for you because we have some breaking news on Bitcoin, Cardano, VeChain, and other low cap cryptocurrencies that you may want to keep in mind. This is Data Dash. Welcome to today's video. And before we go on, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and bell button to stay updated for more of our future uploads. Previously, Morgan Stanley confirmed they possess more than 1 million shares in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, a new cryptocurrency that has since broken. According to the filing, the banking behemoth officially disclosed to the SEC that it holds Bitcoin through the trust. We also know that more than 30 Morgan Stanley funds, the largest of which appears to be Morgan's Inside Fund, holds significant quantities of GBTC shares registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Almost 1 million shares are valued at approximately 700 Bitcoin or $36 million. How this impacts you is that it sheds light on the last few months of uncertainty around the decision of whether or not to purchase Bitcoin. How did we learn that Morgan Stanley bought heavily for over 30 of its funds on the dip? Because on June 28, 2021, when Bitcoin was trading near its all-time low of $30,000, all of this Bitcoin was bought in the last 3 months of 2021. Morgan Stanley's Europe Opportunity Fund has revealed a sizable holding in GBTC. As a public firm, they were required to reveal this fund. And now, just 2 months later, they have revealed Bitcoin holdings in more than 30 of their funds, an undeniable bullish sign. On the other hand, let's talk about Cardano. Recently, the Cardano Foundation joined with CoinFirm to ensure FAFTA and 6AMLDA compliance. Cardano is committed to working harmoniously with governing bodies. Cardano's nonprofit backers have collaborated with CoinFirm, a blockchain analytics firm, to guarantee that ADA follows FATF regulations. The integration, the organization claims, will ensure the project abides by FATF standards. Sixth Anti-Money Laundering Directives, or 6AMLD, and other restrictions that apply to Cardano and will essentially be the centralized exchanges. Brokers, companies, and any other participant in regulated markets will collect and disclose this information to the other regulatory organizations. It seems predictable, yet they give a specific reason why this is bullish in the quote. Mass acceptance in the regulated markets for cryptocurrency is impossible without AML, CFT analytics. CoinFirm's services and technologies make it easy for every custodian at every exchange and every other party to keep a detailed audit trail of all ADA kept in their wallets. But if you're a Cardano investor or observer, have you appreciated the company's efforts to enter the regulated markets? Let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, let's keep going. Now, as a crypto holder, you should know that many Afghans are seeking safety in the cryptocurrency market in the wake of the T-Ban takeover. Most people have mobile phones, can get online, and can buy cryptocurrencies as a result. They've started utilizing Bitcoin as a saving tool. And to learn more about how they are using altcoins to trade and make money, make sure to watch till the end of this video. It's clear that during August 2021, it has been a nightmare for any government still using outdated financial systems. Some Afghans have spoken to turning to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin in order to cope with the country's severe cash scarcity, its closed borders, its native currency, which has been touching records low, and it's quickly increasing prices of essential necessities. To take their money with them, some citizens are employing cryptocurrency wallets. Cryptograph is seen by some as a means of preventing a permanent relocation. It's important to remember that unlike in the rest of the crypto realm, many Afghans involved in Bitcoin transactions don't talk about it. Nonetheless, the data suggests that widespread acceptance of crypto is definitely gaining on. In the recent few days, research firm Chain Analysis released the results of its annual Worldwide Crypto Adoption Index, which placed Afghanistan at position 20 out of the 154 countries studied. When only its P2P exchange trading volume is included, Afghanistan moves up to 7th place on the list of countries with the highest adoption of cryptocurrencies. Afghanistan's crypto activity was so lightly weighted in the 2019 rankings that it was left out of the 2020 list entirely. While the data is encouraging, there are still significant obstacles to widespread adoption, including the fact that the vast majority of the country does not have access to a bank account. This means that people in Afghanistan are cut off from the rest of the global economy. Disturbing information has a way of putting things in perspective. The next important news we're going to talk about is a VeChain announcement. VeChain introduces a blockchain-based platform to promote the reporting of carbon data. In light of this, they have announced a new blockchain initiative to facilitate the public disclosure of company-level carbon emissions data. This is a new SaaS model for their software as a service business, but it's not too different from the services and products they already provide. SaaS service for digital carbon footprints lets businesses log critical data and share it with top-tier third-party assurance providers through VeChain's network of partners. These records can be repurposed into several forms of worth to boost the company's overall sustainability performance. This is great news for any business that seeks more openness in the disclosure of carbon data. Crypto enthusiasts like us already know that VeChain is more centralized than many other blockchains. They are substantially faster, but the proof of authority consensus mechanism means fewer nodes are involved in making decisions for the network. They propose a decentralized alternative to the centralized institutions that are already in place. According to the company's release, a public blockchain like VeChain eliminates the problems of lack of confidence and transparency in traditional supply chains by making it possible to account for all links in the supply chain and the carbon emissions they produce. And it's quite neat that VeChain keeps getting used. Meanwhile, we also have altcoin Injective. Injective has released a unified user interface for all DeFi related operations. You may recall the Injective rebranded a few months ago. Since then, they've been working hard to become the central hub for D5 interoperability and cater to the whole D5 market. In 2021, the Injective community rebranded in an effort to symbolize the pinnacle of advancement and the dawn of a new era of interoperability. Fortunately, Injective has just created its own unified platform, Injective Hub, for discussions on decentralized finance. This one interface will provide access to many features, including staking governance and wallets. As such, Injective has taken a major stride towards becoming the interoperability hub for D5. How do you think it will affect the crypto market soon? Let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, this is Data Dash. And if you enjoyed watching this one, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and bell button to see more of our crypto news and updates for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.